Okay, so for number C, they give us a quadrilateral. They give us 3 values and an x. Special one, they tell us hierdie hoek D 90 grade met die vierkantjie, right? So you must take note that this means 90 degrees, right? Okay, so yet again, if we add all 4 interior angles of a triangle, quadrilateral, it must equal to 360 degrees. Okay, so we say angle A plus angle B plus C plus D will equal 360 degrees. Why? Binne hoeke van 'n vierhoek. Interior angles of a quad. Right. Now we can say angle A is x, plus angle B is 70 degrees, plus angle C is 100 degrees, en hoek D 90 grade. Alles moet gelijk wees aan 360 grade vir 'n vierhoek, né? Nee? Okay, so if we add up like terms, is x plus 100, 190, 260. Right. So as ons nou 260 gaan aftrek van 360 af, dan kry ons 100 grade. Okay, 100 degrees. Are you fine with this? I hope so. Okay. Now we get to something a bit more tricky. Okay. Sorry for my mistake. Some of you got the message. This angle should have been 68 degrees. Okay, because they tell us it's a rhombus. Therefore, we're getting to the qualities now. Okay. Make sure you take note that this angle should have been 68 degrees. Okay. So now, first thing we do is we want to find for x, for y, for z. Okay? X is easy. Do you agree? Opposite angles of a parallelogram. 'n rhombus is mos 'n parallelogram, so daai eienskap tel nog steeds. Teenoorstaande hoeke gelyk. Okay. So let's do that part first. We say x angle P is equal to angle N. Opposite angles of a rhombus equal. Teenoorstaande hoeke van 'n ruit is gelyk. Okay. So x is equal to 68 degrees. Those two are of equal size. Hulle is ewe groot. Reg. Nou gaan ons na die groot meneer toe. Okay? Nou gaan ons aan en ons sê, ons het nou vir x. Okay? Now we need for y. And there's only one way that we can get for y. Is if we have this extra angle here as well. Do you agree that this is also, I should have labeled this one as well, MNOP, let's call it Q. Okay, what do they do with MP and MQ? What do they tell us? Wat sê hulle vir ons? Dat daai sy ewe lank is. Okay, so because those sides are equal length, what do we know about these angles? They are going to be equal size. Equal angles opposite equal sides. Okay. So let's say MPQ, angle MPQ is equal to angle MQP. Why? Because equal angles opposite equal sides. Gelyke hoeke teenoor gelyke sye. Ek hoop jy weet dit in die tyd. Right. Everyone fine with this? So now that we know that they are equal, we have this one, and for y we can now find. Okay, so let's auto 68 and 68. Okay, based on that one. So therefore, we can now go find for y, interior angles of a triangle. Okay. You could have gone and gotten the exterior and then subtract, but okay. Sharp, sharp. So therefore, we have angle P plus angle Q plus angle M if we are working in triangle PQM. They are all equal to 180 degrees. Interior angles of a triangle. Binnenhoeke van driehoek. Sharp. So we have a 68 degrees, big degrees, sorry, plus another 68 degrees plus y equals 180 degrees. Okay? So then we have 120, 136 degrees plus y equal 180 degrees. Dus om oorvat, trek ons af. En dan het ons nie 50 nie, maar 44 grade vir y. So now we have y as 44 degrees. Okay, but what do we know about y and z all together? They must be equal to 112 degrees. Okay, so y plus z must equal to 112. 112 degrees. So z is 112 degrees minus 44 degrees. Okay, and if I have it correctly, 12 minus 4 moet vir my 8 gee en yeah, 68 degrees. Sharp. Okay, so just to recap, x we got opposite sides, opposite angles equal. And then in this triangle, because they gave us the sides of equal length, we know those two angles are equal. Hulle is gelyk, want gelyke hoeke teenoor gelyke sye. Dan binnehoeke van 'n driehoek, ons kon vir y kry. Dan hoe kry ons vir z? Y plus z saam moet gelyk wees aan daai, want teenoorstaande hoeke van 'n rhombus is gelyk. Okay, guys.